Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we've got a £50 mystery box from BB Guns for Less. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so let's open this up. Alright, so the first thing we've got is some Angry Balls 0.20G weight, 6mm size, 2000 BBs. The second thing we got, it looks like it's a pistol, with it being a smaller box. So in here we have a G6 zinc alloy shell. It looks like a spring powered gun. Third gun, we have a P799A air sport gun. Again, this is a spring powered gun. And finally we have an HY017C 1:1 scale 6mm BB bullet it uses. Secondly, we have the G6 zinc alloy shell pistol, and this sells for about around £20. We couldn't find it on the website. Third is the P799A. This gun on the website is £24.99. It was £30. And finally, the HY017C on the website costs £24.99 and it was £39.99. Right, so the total of all these guns, £75.93, and I brought this for £50, and the total difference is £25.93. Anyway guys, I'll leave a link in the description for all these guns. I'll be reviewing these guns in a different video, so make sure you go and check that out. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, you being the audience. This is Unbox with Brandon, and I'll see you next time.